Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how you can write a C++ program to determine whether a number is positive, negative or zero. We can write the program in two different ways. Let's see each one by one. First of all, let us save our file, save as, then write anything .c++, that's the file extension. Then you can select the place, then save. Okay, now let me write the library file, that is hash include then iostream.h. Open the curly brace, then in the main function declaration. This is the main function declaration, by the way. The return type is int. Each individual function must have a return type. That return type may be void. Then int main, oh sorry, this is not the place here, but the curly brace should be written after that, like this, then enter. Now our goal is to write a program that identifies whether a number is positive, negative or zero. So we need to accept a number from our keyboard. So we need to declare a variable to accept a number. So int x, then semicolon, the data type is int. Look at the difference between this int main and int x. This is a function, so this is not the data type but the return type, but this is the data type of a variable. That means the variable that we will accept will be an integer. We can also write that float double etc as we want. Then by the way, to write this program we can use either a selection statement or the nested selection statement. The simple selection statement that we use to identify whether a number is positive, negative or zero is the if-else-if statement. The other way is to use a nested if statement. So the first one, that is the simple selection statement, is using if-else-if statement. So after declaring this, we need to accept the number. So write the statement to accept the number. So cin then greater the greater operator cin x. Before that, let's write something to make our program more user friendly. Cout, then open the double quotation, then enter a number. Then inline. After that, accept the number cin. Then let's write the logic here. If, that's the keyword if, that's why if is highlighted like this with blue color. If, then open a bracket, if x is equal to, look, these two equal to operators, these symbols are not assignment, but these are the comparison operator. So equal to, if x is equal to 0, let's start from 0, then close this, then cout, the number is 0. Then inline, if this, then else if else if x greater than 0. By the way, this is not 0, but it is O, so write this. If x is greater than 0, then cout the number is positive. Then close this in the else cout the number is negative. Okay, this is the if-else if selection statement. If the number is 0, write the number is 0. If the number is greater than 0, write the number is positive. Else, that means either the number is, if the number is not 0, or if it is not greater than 0, then the number should be less than 0. That means the number is negative will be printed. After that, we need to close the curly plus. Okay, now this is one way to write than. The other way is using nested. First of all, let's check this program, then click on save, and then click on compilation. Successful build, that means there is no compile time error. Now let's check whether there is runtime error or not. Enter a number in new line. Let's give 9. Then enter the number is positive. It's correct. Yes, there is no runtime error. There is no logical error. 9 is positive. We know that it is above 0. Then enter. Then again click on run. Let's enter 0. The number is 0. Again, it is correct. Enter. Then let me check the negative one. -5. Enter. The number is negative. So the logic is correct to identify whether the number is, the integer number is negative, positive, or 0 using if-else if condition. With the next time, I will show you how you can identify a given number, integer number, whether it is positive, negative, or 0 using nested if statement. For today, it's enough. If you have any question, let me know by leaving your comment, in the comment section down below. Don't miss to subscribe, like, and share the channel DeepSight, which is our YouTube channel. With the next time, we will meet with another very interesting idea. Till then, have a nice time.